Hey everyone, my name is Tianna St. Louis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. Today is going to be a little curly hair routine, wash day special. This is me contemplating how long it's going to take, knowing it's going to take a while. If you have curly hair, you know. But anyways, let's get on with the video. First step in this process is wetting my hair down, get it all soaked and saturated, and getting ready to put some product on. And the first product I'm going to be using today is from Fenty Hair, the Rich One line. This one is the Moisture Repair Shampoo. I absolutely love the new Fenty Hair Care line. You're going to be seeing me showcase a few in this video. But first, I'm just going to be putting this on my scalp. I'm going to be leaving out the ends so they don't dry out as much. We're going to leave it be. We're going to leave it free. Essentially just putting the shampoo from the ears up, if that makes sense. And then I'm going to give her a good scrub down, get the scalp detox going. Now I'm just going to section it in two, just like down the middle part, and then take a little bit more, and then really incorporate it into the scalp so I can really get a clean, nice scalp. Now I'm going to go in with this scalp massager, detoxer, scrub tool that I got at the beauty supply store. This not only feels really good, but promotes blood flow to the scalp, thus promoting hair growth. And now I'm just going to rinse out the shampoo. And for conditioner, I'm going to be using the Fenty Hair again, the Rich One line, the Moisture Repair Conditioner. And we're going to do it from the ears down this time. So we're going to get that all incorporated, nice and smooth, and we're going to start to finger detangle our hair. And after, I'm going to comb out my hair with a wide tooth comb, really getting at those tight knots. I'm going to split my hair down the middle again in two sections, and then we're going to start from the ends up to prevent any breakage from happening. And now we're going to go on to the other side, starting from the ends, and then we're working our way up. Now I'm just going to clean off the comb because the girl do be shedding. I'm going to clean it off. Now I'm just going to wet it again, wet her down. And comb through again with the wide tooth comb. And now I'm just going to get rid of this middle part so I can flip it either way once it's dry. I'm just going to comb it backwards. Now it's time for deep condition. I'm going to be using Fenty Hair again. This one is the Richer One line, the Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. And y'all can see how well loved she is. I need to get a new one pretty soon. But I'm just going to be putting this on my ends of the hair again. And now parting it in two sections, this time top and bottom to get the middle part of the head. And then applying a deep conditioner to the middle part of my head, the inner part. And I'm just going to give her a comb through, make sure it's all even, and then tie her up. And we're going to give her 5 to 10 minutes to really set in the moisture. And after the 5 to 10 minutes is done, I'm going to take out the bun and rinse her out fully. Really give her a good twist. And now I'm just going to use an old t-shirt to plop my hair. This is better than using a towel because it reduces the breakage and it makes the curls in the end look less frizzy. And we're going to give her another 5 to 10 minutes. And then after that time is done, we're going to undo it. And now it's time for leave-in conditioner. This one's by Miss Jessie's. She has been a day one since probably middle school for me. I love her products as well. And we're going to make sure all of it's incorporated around my head, leaving about 1 inch or 2 away from the scalp so you don't get buildup. And I'm going to section my hair off in two again, top and bottom. And I'm going to wet her down a little bit just to make sure that leave-in conditioner really penetrates the hair follicle fully. I'm going to finger detangle my hair and then do the same on the top section. I'm gonna dry off my hands because I hate product on my hands for too long. And instead of air drying my hair, I'm gonna be diffusing my hair with this pattern hair dryer. I got it for Christmas and it comes with 4 other attachments. But I'm gonna be using the diffuser attachment today and these settings. So instead of scrunching my hair right away, I'm gonna diffuse just the outside layer. And then I'm going to start tapping it into my scalp, making sure the heat isn't on one part of my hair for too long. This is how I get volume on the top part of my hair. I flip it around to each side and diffuse it from the scalp. And then when my hair is like maybe 80% dry, I'll go ahead and diffuse the ends of my hair. It's giving photo shoot, it's giving when in the hair don't care. Like, y'all see these curls, yo? It's giving definition. And now I'm gonna stretch out the curls just a little bit so I can get that length back. And the curls are bouncing. So this is the final results. Definition, movement, it's all here, y'all. All this without sacrificing the length. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya!